Let's explore the easiest way to make a sprite jump using a glide block. Let's add another sprite which will act as a ground in our project. Now let's drag the when space key pressed event from the events menu. First, drag the sprite above the ground and now drag the glide block where X and Y positions are already set. Now let's try our code. The sprite is hanging in the air. Now to make the sprite go down, we drag the sprite down to the ground and attach another glide block. Now our sprite is able to jump when we press the space key.
Congratulations!